So straight to the point, guys. So you might have seen where doctors used to consult in online, and then you have to book an appointment with them and you have to pay them based on the consulting service they provide, right? So similarly, we can also do as people work in IT. So we have a lot of skills with us. Like I know how Python works. I can teach them. I can consult. It's not like a teaching. You can consult, and you know how to build a resume. Then you can give that knowledge. You can consult with your audience. So you can make money with that. And I know how to clear an interview. I can give this as a consulting part, and I know how to create a roadmap. So you can give this as an advice. So like that, whatever the knowledge, the information that you know from your experience, right? You can share it in the platform, but you can make money with it. And the platform name is topmate.io. So now let me just show you the website. So most of the people are not aware of such platforms. So this is what topmate.io, where you can just create a profile for completely free, and you can just tag the price for the different services that you provide. It's not like a continuous learning online teaching and all. So you just spend some 30 minutes time, and then you can just charge for the service what you do. For example, let me just open some of the profiles. So these are some of the people who created their profile, and they used to provide consulting. For example, let me just open this profile, Santosh. So let's see what are all the service that he provides to you. Okay, so if you see, right, so he provides like mock interview 45 minutes, 1,299. He's charging career guidance 30 minutes, 799. So like that, he has like all his knowledge as a service. He just created it, and then like you can straight away you can go there and you can book with them, whichever creator you like. You can book with them, and then you can have a consulting. So it's not like a dedicated online teaching or an online training. So sometimes people used to say, no, I hate such platform because I don't want to spend much time on teaching someone else. No, this is not teaching. You are providing consulting. You can even do on weekend. Then so people will book your service, and then you can connect with them for 30-40 minutes, and you can guide them, and you will be get paid immediately. Right. And not only that, guys, so there is one more thing I just wanted to tell you is, so even you are like trying to crack some interviews in top product based companies, right? You can just reach out to the people who work in that company. For example, you are trying to have a next round with Uber, some product manager, right? So you can try to search some product managers who is working in Uber, will be there in Top and then you connect with them and just say that I have a interview with Uber with some product management round. Can you help me, like how the questions will be and how should I have to answer? So this really worked well for so many peoples in my circle itself. They cracked a lot of product based companies because they've already consulted with one of the people who work in their company who does know how the interview works. It's like a practice, guys. See, when two doctors meets each other, right? They used to say, "Are you in practice?" Right? So similarly, you have to be in practice with the skills and with the technology. That comes only when you provide your knowledge to someone else, and that will be get increased a lot. Okay, so you can even get free services also. So you can see here, if you click short by, you will see free service, right? Even you can provide free service in the initially, like you will not get that flow to speak with people. In that case, you don't want to go for paid service. You can start with free, and whenever the session completes, you ask them to give a feedback for you. So with that, later once you get practiced with this Topmate thing, then you can charge to the people for whatever that the consulting service that you provide. So you can see here, like we have the categorization: mock interviews, resume review, career, software, product. There are so much data, so you can anything related to IT world you can get into this Topmate, and this is completely free. So there are two options that you can see here: find a people, join as an expert. If you want to provide the consulting, you can go for join as expert, or you're looking for the people to whom you have to get the consulting from, then you have to go for find people. Thanks for watching, guys, and I am there to teach you like this. And if you really like this video, please do subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching, guys.